Welcome to the Otrading video. In this video, we'll show you how to create and bind an API key from Bitget to Otrading. First, log into Bitget app and click on avatar icon in the top left corner of homepage. Locate and click API keys in the dropdown. Click Create a new API key. Choose Automatically Generated API Keys. Enter tag name for your API key like Otrading. Follow the rules to fill in passphrase. Remember this passphrase as you will need it later. Skip binding IP address. Enable read-write in the permissions settings. And light up spot trading. Open interest and futures order. Then click Confirm. Get and enter your email verification code and Google Authenticator code. Then click Confirm. Great! Your API key is now created. Copy the visit private key and the private key. Open Otrading app. Locate Bind API. Select Bitget and paste the visit private key and the private key into the respective field. Finally, enter the passphrase you set up in Bitget earlier and click Bind. Read and accept third-party transaction security authorization prompt. When you see the binding completed, it's time to dive into trading with Otrading.